Hello children, welcome to my video. Okay, so the topic that we are going to take up in this video is compounds of sodium. There are certain compounds of sodium which are there in your syllabus, and today we are going to begin with sodium chloride, which is common salt. And we are going to discuss three things regarding sodium chloride, that is its preparation, properties and uses. Okay, so first of all we are going to continue with preparation. So when it comes to laboratory preparation method of sodium chloride, then it is going to be prepared by taking sodium hydroxide, which is a base, hydrochloric acid, which is an acid, and on neutralization you are going to get sodium chloride salt and water. This is the method which is used for the laboratory preparation of sodium chloride. But if you want to prepare this salt in abundance, then this method is not put to use. The reason behind that is that sodium chloride is found in nature in abundance. Naturally, it is present in abundance. And where is it present? It is present in seawater. And from seawater, the sodium chloride is obtained by the process of evaporation. How come by the process of evaporation? Now, when it comes to evaporating seawater and getting the salt from it, for that reason, large shallow ponds are made and the sea water is trapped into these large shallow ponds, and then the water is allowed to evaporate. As a result, the water evaporates, leaving behind the salt. This is the first source. Secondly, it is also obtained from underground deposits by mining process. So it is found underneath the earth's surface and it is mined from there. And the salt which we get from underneath the earth's surface, it is somewhat different from this common salt. And large crystals of salt is obtained from underneath the earth's surface, and it is known as rock salt. Rock salt is not white in color, it is reddish brown in color. And the reason why is it reddish brown in color is because of the presence of impurities in it. Next is the properties of sodium chloride. Now you must have seen the sodium chloride salt in your kitchen. So it is a crystalline solid. First of all, it is transparent, it is soluble in water, because of which you can make a solution of salt in water. Next is it melts at 801 degrees Celsius. It is slightly soluble in alcohol, but it is insoluble in concentrated hydrochloric acid. Okay, so these are the physical properties of sodium chloride. Next is regarding the use of sodium chloride. Now, it is found in your kitchen, so of course it is going to be used for making certain food items. Next is it is used as a preservative in pickles. You must have seen your mother putting in so much of salt into these pickles. What is the reason behind that? Because when you are going to add so much of salt into it, then it actually acts as a preservative, preserving your food from getting spoiled. And of course it is also used for the preservation of meat and fish. Next, it is used in the manufacture of certain compounds, like it is used in the manufacture of soap, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, which is also known as washing soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is known as baking soda, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen, chlorine and sodium metal. So these many compounds are going to be prepared with the help of sodium chloride. Next, it is also used to melt ice which collects on roads in cold countries. Okay, so it is also used to melt ice which collects on roads. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind regarding sodium chloride. Thank you so much children for joining.